Hello, you're welcome back to my channel again. Thank you for stopping by. If you are here for the first time, my name is Comfort at nutricomply.com. Today I have another delicious recipe to share with you. Let me briefly let you know the ingredients that we'll be using. So I have green beans here. Green beans is an excellent source of fiber, protein, and vitamin and minerals. So it's very good, and it's something that we can include in our diets. It's very nutritious. I will be using red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. So I have different color of bell pepper that is going to add color to these vegetables. So I have my onions here, white onion, green onion. Our protein source, I will be adding mushroom and shrimps. I also have my seasoning here. I have chicken seasoning here. I have my curry and also salt that I will be adding. I will also be adding soy sauce for more flavor. I will be adding habanero pepper, but if you don't want it, you can remove it. It's optional. And lastly, we add a little oil. I will start by cooking my shrimp first, and to do that, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil into my pan. My white onion, I will be adding the shrimps. I've already seasoned the shrimps. I'm going to allow the shrimps to cook until all the water dries off. So the shrimps are ready, so I will be transferring them into a bowl. Now the next thing to do is to stir fry the vegetables. So I will be adding 4 tablespoons of oil into my pan. I'm going to add the onion, and part of the green onion. I'll saute the onion for 2 to 3 minutes before adding other vegetables. So the first vegetable to add is my green beans. Sorry, I forgot to let you know that this recipe also calls for a cabbage and carrots. So I'm going to leave the full recipe in the description box below. So the next thing that we'll be adding is my carrots. Carrot takes longer time to cook. I will saute the carrots for another 5 minutes before adding the rest of the vegetables. I'm going to add the bell peppers, I will also add the mushroom. Now we add my seasoning and spices. I will add my soy sauce. I will add the shrimps. So I will cook all the vegetables for 6 to 8 minutes before adding the cabbage. So finally I will be adding the rest of the onions. And I will add the cabbage. after adding the cabbage, allow it to cook for 3 minutes and the vegetable is be ready. So the vegetable is ready now. It smells so nice. I can't wait to dig into it. So this is the end result. It's so yummy and tasty. It smells so nice and delicious. Check it out in your kitchen and I can assure you that you are going to enjoy it. You are going to love it. You know, it's so nutritious and flavorful. Yeah, this is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. If you really like the video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. God bless you. See you in my next video when I will be bringing you another nutritious and delicious recipe. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.